I'm Professor Glenn Holtzman from the Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities, acting as the Deputy Dean for the faculty at this time, and also my home base, it's the Department of Visual and Performing Arts. It's such a great privilege and pleasure for us to host an event in commemoration of Mandela Month, the 67 minutes of music. And what a phenomenal space and place to be at, the Miriam Makeba Hall here in East London, a vibrant atmosphere to celebrate the arts, and the arts is a contribution for social cohesion. Now, if we think of lovers of art, we know that lovers of art are lovers of a new possible world, and also optimistic for the possibilities of humanity when they are in harmony with one another, not in conflict. And so I think the metaphor of this musical concert, which we've delivered here today as an exhibition, is a metaphor for humanity to be in harmony with one another, just as we have the harmonious sounds at this recital today.
Z67 abangamashumi amathandathu nesikhathi kaRholihlahla sinikezele ekuculeni konwatywe, silibale ingxaki, siphole emphefumulweni, siphole engqondweni. Abantu abaninzi bananokuthiwa i-depression. Umculo uyayikhupha, umculo uzisa ukonwaba, umculo uzisa ukukhula, uzisa siyaphuhlisa.
My name is Oyama Vena. I'm studying music here at the University of Hare, and today, and I'm also in the choir, University of Hare Choir, and today we're performing for the 67 minutes Mandela Day. First of all, I'm actually nervous with the music side, but actually happy that we're giving back to Mandela Day.
Hello everyone, I am Nomonde Makamba, a master's student from the music department. Today we're here at the music department celebrating Mandela, and we have today we have the Hare Choir, we have the music department, and we also have staff members that will be performing today. This event today is right because we're keeping youth, because most of the target market here namhlanje, it's most probably going to be staff and the students. So we're keeping youth ears where we come from, and also appreciate the works that have been done by Nelson Mandela. So we're going to be spending our 67 minutes here today at the music department. I hope you enjoy.